Recent updates regarding tariffs from Trump suggest that global trade conditions are shifting in a negative direction. Although the specifics varies by region, the general tone has now moved beyond the base rate of 10%, with additional charges introduced unexpectedly. As a result, the market has experienced a significant drop, and at this stage, further downside appears likely. Bitcoin has not yet reached oversold territory to trigger such condition. The price would need to fall below 80,000. This time, a move towards 75,000 should be kept in mind. As for altcoins from current levels, it would be wise to prepare for at least a further 10% drop. Additional pressure may also come from how Europe and China choose to respond. Should they respond with countermeasures, we could see more downward moves. This week and the next may be on the most challenging of the recent ones, but still we believe those who buy during the drops would come out ahead in the long run. For now, the market structure favors wait, buy, then sell in that order. Now let's turn to Goya dominance reading, which currently sits at minus 4.6. Just hours ago, it had dropped as far as minus 40, but has recovered slightly since. For Bitcoin, the signal is S2, and we've seen a drop of more than 5% over the past 4 hours, a sharp decline for Bitcoin. On the smart chart, we're now seeing an L signal indicating a possible minor bounce ahead. Turning to XRP, the signal here is also S2, and on the smart chart, we see an S signal here as well, given that the price could fall as far as the buy 6 line at 1.895. This is not an ideal time to enter. As for EOS, which I mentioned yesterday, the L2 signal remains active and the price continues to move forward. Since this time yesterday, EOS has gained over 6%. All 6 cell lines are now pointing at 0.877, which may act as a ceiling. In contrast, NEO has fallen a further 8% since yesterday. The signal is currently S2. Once again, we see that the signals have proven useful in anticipating these moves. And with Tether dominance rising, a wave of market fear is forming. But this is exactly when traders must pay even closer attention to their signals and score indicators. Following them consistently remains the safest strategy in times like these.